Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. I'm going to show you exactly how you can keep track of your inventory on eBay. Now, if you didn't know, you could actually add your inventory when you list an item on eBay. So once I get here to sold and I try to sell an item by clicking on start a listing. So I'm going to list an item on eBay, and when you get to the point where you can add like some details such as like the title, description, and such things, you will be actually able to put the actual price, or basically the amounts of uh, quantity of the product that you own in your stock. So with that, whenever you sell something on eBay, you are actually going to see the price going down. So where to find that when you try to add an item is basically here on the bottom. As you can see, you can actually edit it through this menu right here. You could go through it, add conditions here, unity quantity. You could add, for example, here I have 10. So whenever something has been sold from this, it will keep decreasing 9, 8, 7 till it goes down to 0, and it will show to people that it is out of stock. Now what will happen if you didn't put the quantity here to a number, an exact number? Well, in that case, even if you are out of stock, the system of eBay will not detect that, and you will still be sold in product. And unfortunately, you will be having to cancel them, and your order rate will get got down. So this is something important to take in consideration, is putting the quantity amount within your eBay listing. But after that, you click on listed or save for later. But in general, you have to put the quantity so you can keep track of the inventory of your product. So that was it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.